So lately I've been getting sent a few clips of these null heads returning, and I believe I featured something like this before RuneScape 2007 came out. So basically it randomly turns your items into heads, like your lobsters, your rings, or your bronze arrows. And if they don't do anything, they just kind of sit there, looking at you. But don't worry, because it appears the only people that have sent me these clips may or may not have been botting. So I'm not sure where Jax is going with this one, but it does look kind of funny. Meanwhile, Sephiroth was doing some dark PKing in Edgeville, and it looks like he's pretty hungry for the kill because he's risking for the biscuit. When this happens. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but he was at like 20 something hit points, busted out of 74, and his opponent's Venge only hit him back at 1. That's some bullshit. Regardless, that was a pretty nice kill. And lastly, this next person's facing off against Jad for her first time, and it seems like a pretty big deal to her.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, I fucking did it! I did it! Oh my god!
Red bar for so long.
Oh my god, I'm shaking so much. Oh,
Hey, Max, no person.
I'm shaking so much.
Yep, that clip's not gonna get any perverted comments.